Still wobbling.
Wobbling.
Uh-oh.
Power off?
No.
50%.
Okay, we got problems.
Okay, you ready? Bring it around this way. Start turning. Turn it around this way. Bring it
Trying to
around.
let it, that's what I'm trying to do.
Time remaining.
It's not, oh, I don't lost power.
I know, I was trying
When-
to that's why you say turn.
Oh no, that's why I'm trying to level it out. Ooh.
Gear up. 50%.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
50%.
A little update on there just did the world for us. Huh? You landing?
Nope.
25%. 50%. %. 25%. 0. 40 seconds. Brake open.
Looks like this landing gear will land.
I'm on the left.
Well, it looks like it flies good.
Yeah, it's just CG's off.
Gear up. %. 25%. 50%.
No, I can't. Hush.
50%. 50%. 0. 50% time remaining. Percent. 50%.
About
50%. 0. 50%. 50%.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're.
25%.
No, I don't want you to go back around. Do what you gotta do.
0. Gear up. G-limit disengaged.
I knew how to hook it up right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Don't reset.
Set.
Is always bring it back the
50%.
next day.
G-limit disengaged.
Well,
all you gotta do is undo it.
0. 25. 50%.
no, it ain't. It's got like 5, 6 clicks.
0.
It's got flying it anyway.
20. Altitude.
All right.
50%.
Okay, where you at? What you doing? You've been flying.
50%. Warning. 30 seconds. 26. 5. 0.
Yeah, I can't register.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Gear up. 50%.
All right, landing. I keep help.
You're doing good.
More elevator. There you go, kill it.
Gear up. 50%.
Alright, I want to do some slow flying here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Only thing I did land in an ant.
Oh.
I guess, you know what, it could have been worse.
50%. 50%.
Yeah, and nicely. It didn't,
50%. 50%.
I don't want to drop the gear.
25%. 0.
This one here, 3.5. He gets about 3. Well, he gets 3.5 with the big battery. That's why I hate landing that direction, but sometimes.
that's one reason I really like them.
Closer to us. Closer to us. There you go. Perfect.